here because I truly believe that within the Netherlands, but also in the whole world, we should really raise the awareness that not investing in women's health is really costing us a lot of money.
We are half of the population, but we're still having a massive gap when it comes to healthcare. So this is where technology and working together in the ecosystem can help us.
And therefore it's very important that we bring together researchers, investors, technicians. This is the only way that we can bring women's health further.
I think it's great that female health was put on the agenda today. Obviously, I'm a man who have a wife, who have daughters, and you care for them. I was shocked actually today to learn how big that health gap is and how slowly it's converging.
There's a lot of awareness that needs to be raised around health issues that women are facing that were previously ignored, and I was really happy that that was well highlighted today, especially the need for investment in women's health. And one of the things that really stuck with me today was a quote by one of the speakers where she said that biology is not bias, but if we ignore it, then it does become bias.